Hi guys, welcome to Fynd affiliate program. To start with, you will first need to install our application from any of the app store you have and just go to the amazing schemes option. Here's where you'll find sign up link for Fynd affiliate program. Before I start with the next steps, let me tell you what Fynd affiliate program is actually about. You can share products available on Fynd's application or website with your audiences through customized links and start earning money on it. I know your next question is, how do I qualify for it? There is no basic requirement or qualification required for the approval. You can sign up now and start using it. And now your next question is, how much do you earn in this program? You will be earning 2.5% commission on the order value or every sale that you get through your link. Next, starting with the next steps, there are just 3 small steps that you need to do to start using the program. Number 1 is sign up for the program using this link. Number 2, recommend products to your audiences through social media or any other platform. And number 3, start earning. So here's the form. You can edit your first name, last name, email, password, and when you just go on to sign up now, you will receive an email which will give you all the dashboard information as well as your referral link. Once you receive this email, you can just check on what all app options do you have on the dashboard here. You will see a referral link at first, and down there are certain creatives which are current offers being run by Fynd.com. On clicking on any of the creative, you will be able to directly share it on your Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and you can just post it directly from here. There are quick links for Instagram and WhatsApp missing over here. So now you know everything about how can you share your referral links, where can you find your referral links, and how can you directly share these current Fynd creatives on your social media like Facebook, Pinterest, or any other social media. Now I'll tell you about how can you track your clicks, conversion, and all other activities. You can click on the right hand corner menu button and go on to the dashboard. Here's where you'll find today's daily tracking metrics. So clicks, conversion, and commission you can see over here. Conversion would essentially mean that how many orders have you received on your referral link. Commission is actually the commission amount over here, which would be actually 2.5% of your order value. Going down, you can see the clicks history, conversions history, geo distribution, like where are your orders coming from, commission, and commission amount over here. Post that, you'll see a detailed report on what was the tracking metrics, date-wise, clicks, customers, conversions, conversion amount. So into bracket, you see approve. Here you can see conversions into bracket approve, conversion amount into bracket approve. So that's how the cycle works. You can find all the history over here. After that, there is assets tab, which we have already seen here. Where you can find your referral link and quick links to share on your social media. After that, there is conversions tab. So if there are any conversions that have happened on your referral link, you will be able to see here or download from here. Payouts section, if there are any payouts that have happened to you into your bank account, it will be shown here with the date and amount specifically. After that, these account setting and payout methods are the 2 most important things over here. Account settings, you can update all your profile information over here with address, company you are working, profile, everything. After that is the payout method. How do you want your money, the commission money essentially, to receive to you? It's essentially you need to add your bank account details over here. So when you click on new payout method, you will have to fill all this information over here. And then there is logout option. And that's it guys. So please start signing up and start earning. Thank you for watching.